Hi, I'm Brad Wild from the Go Wild team at RE/MAX. So the May numbers are in, and this is what's going on in the Cambridge real estate market. We've had 219 sales in the month of May, which is down 29% from the 309 sales that we saw in May of 2017. However, we are up 12% from April last month. So we are seeing a month-over-month increase, which is really good. For active listings, there's 393 active listings on the market, which is up 24% from the 318 that we had last May. So we are still seeing an increased amount of inventory, which is nice for purchasers. There is more selection out there. Looking at number of new listings to hit the market, there were 360 this month, which is down 21% from the 456 that we saw in last May. Now you have to remember, last May was a little bit of an abnormal month because everyone was rushing to get their house on the market after the announcement of the foreign buyers tax at the end of April. So it'll be interesting to see. This is probably a more normal amount of new listings for us to have in May. Now, looking at our average sale price, there's an average sale price of $496,000, and that's for all housing types in the Cambridge area. So that's up 8% from $459,000 that we had last May. So we're up considerably year over year. Now, looking at detached houses, they had an average sale price of $553,000 this month, which is up 11% from the 498 that we had in May of last year in Cambridge. Attached houses, they remain flat with an average sale price of $370, so not really much of a change from this May to last May. And then condo style apartments, they had an average sale price of $287,000, which is up 2% from last year. So we look at our average sale price, we're actually up quite a bit year over year, which is great. The Cambridge market has actually performed a lot better in this than the Kitchener-Waterloo market or the Guelph market, where both of those areas, the average sale price are basically flat or actually even a little bit less year over year. So there's been great amounts of return in the Cambridge region so far this year. Now, looking at our average list to sale price ratio, houses right now are selling for 100% of asking, which is great. And now looking at the houses that are actually going over asking, right now we're seeing 48%. Almost half of the houses in the market in Cambridge right now are selling above asking. And then diving into more detail on those properties, 91% of those houses that are selling above asking are listed under that $600,000 price point. So it shows you that that 600 and under right now is an extremely active market in the Cambridge region. Now, looking at our months of inventory, which is basically our supply and demand for the market, we're sitting at 1.79 months of inventory. So anything under 5 months of inventory is considered a seller's market. Being under 2 months of inventory puts you in a hot seller's market. And that number is actually decreasing month over month as well, which is showing that our market is building. Overall, when we look at the market, it's been performing really well in the Cambridge region. Average sale prices are up. Houses are selling on average for full asking, with almost half of the properties now selling actually above asking and going to multiple offers. We're definitely seeing more people jump into the market as well, as we're seeing the number of sales increase. I think as consumer confidence continues to increase in the market, we're going to see things start to build up even more. I'm predicting that this year we're going to have a stronger second half to 2018 than what we did for the first half, which is kind of abnormal for our traditional real estate market. If you have any questions about the real estate market in Cambridge, please comment below and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks and have a great day.